right, so you can see where the needles hit it, and it's put holes in it. It comes around here, this right here, this damage will grab your thread. So we're going to take a knife, and we are going to very carefully, without cutting ourselves and without tearing this up, these pieces that are sticking up, they'll grab the thread. We're just going to shave them off, okay? We're not making any big gouges or nothing crazy. Just very carefully cleaning this up, okay? All right. And then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to clean.